fam, welcome to day 5 of our arm and belly fat focus challenge. Getting back to those arms again today. Just continue marching in squat with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I'm uploading a new video. If you're returning, I'm happy to be having you. Our goal, as you already know, is to get rid of that unwanted extra fat on our arms, on our belly area. So I hope you are energized, you are hydrated for this workout. We are going to be doing speed bags in this one. 3 minutes of speed bags, one of my favorite workout, so it would not definitely miss in our challenge. And we are going to begin just about now. I hope you're feeling heated up already. I will be beginning my timer over here and we shall begin straight away. So you want to pull in your abs towards the spine and you want to give me those speed bag punches. Just roll your arms as fast as you can roll them, feeling those arm muscles working. Keep breathing and pull in your abs towards the spine. So let's do this, guys. Keep going. We are doing amazing and this really works on those arms, guys. Don't punch yourself. Keep going. My arms are on fire already, but keep going, guys. We're almost there with that minute. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there goes our alarm, guys. And I will just stop it and we are going to catch 30 seconds of rest, guys. Feel free to cut some water, relax it out, just resting those muscles, keeping your heart rate up as well, and preparing for the next minute. This is burning, guys, but just relax it out. And let me know how yesterday's workout was in the comment section below. And we are going to be getting into that other minute, the second minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So get ready, guys. I will begin the timer just about now and we shall begin just again, rolling those arms, using those muscles. Keep breathing, pulling in those abs towards the spine. Keep going, guys. And there goes our alarm, which I will stop just about now. And we need to catch another rest, guys. My arms are really burning. How are you feeling? Let me know in the comment section below. Just stretch it out and catch your breath. And we are preparing to get into the last minute, guys. We are almost there. Whew. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And getting into the last minute, guys. I feel like giving up, but we have to do this. So I will just begin the timer over there and we shall begin. Keep going, keep breathing. Pull your abs towards the spine. Don't slow down, don't give up, don't give in. Keep going. going, guys. We're almost done with that last minute. And there goes our alarm. Whew. I'll just stop it right there, guys. So we are done with our 3 minutes today, guys, and we are just going to do just one more stretch to finish up our workout. So get into position, and I want you to begin with your right hand. Just bring it backwards, reaching forward to as far as you can, and then we are going to hold this for 30 seconds, guys. Just stretch it out, feeling that stretch in your chest as well, and trying to reach your arm to as back as you can get it, stretching out those muscles. Very important after a strenuous workout, because we do not want to cause injury to our muscles. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other side. Just reach your arm backwards and straight, and hold it right there, and stretch it out. And keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to bring it back. You want to breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our 3 minutes of the speed bag, guys. A high five if you've made it up to the end. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and families on social media. Invite them over to come and join us in our arm and belly fat focus challenge. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share a lot of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button, guys, so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.